This one trade made me over $7,000. Let's go over what I did exactly. As you can see, this is the Instagram picture I posted on my story. Let's get rid of it here. Let's go over the play that I took. My strategy is called NNT. It's only 3 steps and it's super mechanical. I also only trade the 5-second time frame. So let's go into the strategy. We're going to go over a bearish play. So this is how the pattern should look. Now I'm going to get rid of this box here. Price comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down, and comes back up, comes down. This same pattern is happening right here. We want a sweep to happen. That's our first requirement. So sweep happens. It just means a high that's being taken or a low. But right now, a high is being taken. So as you can see right here, a high gets taken. And then we want the low to get taken. Like the low right here. Price came down and took the low. So we're going to get that high and low, and we're going to make a zone. And let me make the zone a different color so it'll be easier to see. So we're going to make a zone with that high and low. And we'll do it above here also. High and low. So our first requirement is a sweep. Our second requirement is a tap on the zone, then a break of structure. So as you see, price came out, price comes out, comes back in and taps the zone. Price came out, came back in and tapped the zone, and then break structure again. So just another sweep, breaking, taking the low, breaking structure. I did it right here, broke structure. After those two are met, I'm very interested in this play, but we need one more requirement. That last requirement is 1 standard deviation. What does 1 standard deviation mean? It means that we want to be 100% away from the zone. So we would grab our zone and we would duplicate it and make sure price went 100% away. So it did here. Let's get rid of our zone here. You see in the example below, it absolutely went 100% away. Then I would enter at 50% and put my take profit on this line, my stop loss 1 tick above, and enter at 50. So I expect price to come into my zone and fill me at 50% and hit my take profit. So as you can see here, price came, tapped a few times, did its thing, came, tapped, and then filled me at 50%, and then hit my take profit. And that's it. That's how I made $7,000 off one trade. If you want a free course on my strategy and NT, even a free PDF, click the first link in the description or just text me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the Discord.